Hey guys, just got to the next project. It's going to be a pool demo out here in Wiley. Walk up and show you what we got going on with this one. It's going to be a little different than our normal pool demos. So we got, take out these two sections of the fence. We're going to come in right here across the curb and sidewalk, get all the equipment pulled out of here, and then here's the pool. So we'll get set up and get this thing started draining out. It's nice and green. And what we're going to do on this one, since the coping and the patio and all is in good shape, we're going to bust the bottom of it out, put a layer of rock down in the bottom, bring it up with select fill, and top it with topsoil, some good healthy topsoil, and they're going to turn this into a garden. We'll obviously take the rails off, get those steps knocked down out of the way. But I think we can do it without actually getting the excavator inside the pool. So that'll be interesting. Get this one done. Yeah, let me get you guys set up. We'll get this fence down, get the excavator in here, and get to work. All right, so we got fence panels down, electric turned off. Nothing's disconnected yet, but I got it all taken off the wall, off the fence panels. Fence panels are down. Excavator is in here. Breaker is in here. Pool is full of green water. Pump is hooked up. I don't have enough hose with me to get all the way around to the sewer clean out, so I'm going to bring another roll of hose with me tomorrow, but that's going to do it today. We'll be back out here tomorrow morning, get this hose hooked up, get the water pumped out, get that equipment all disconnected and piled up. My electrician's coming in the morning sometime, and we'll get it disconnected from the panel. And once that water's out of here, we'll start busting holes in the bottom. So that's gonna do it for today. We'll see you tomorrow.